engineer, architect or inspector who is looking for an international job opportunity? If yes, then this video is exactly made for you, as we have an amazing job offer in Saudi Arabia from the world's leading multinational USA-based infrastructure consulting company. In this video, we will discuss the available position, salary, benefits and how to apply. So stay tuned till the end for all the details. The hiring company offers a comprehensive range of services, including architecture and design, construction, management, engineering, project management, planning and consulting, etc. Currently, they are recruiting for an ongoing urban design and civil infrastructure project in Saudi Arabia. There are a total of 125 job positions available, and we will discuss 41 positions in this video. Don't forget to check out the other two videos on our channel for the remaining positions. So let's quickly take a look at all the available job positions. Please note that all the qualification and experience requirements will be displayed along with each position. Senior Land Surveyor, Roads Engineer, Senior Geotechnical Engineer, Senior Interior Designing and Finishes Engineer, Senior Infrastructure Engineer, Sports Architect, Steel Structural Engineer, Sustainability Engineer, Testing and Commissioning Engineer, Traffic Engineer, Resident Engineer Architect, Resident Engineer Civil, Resident Engineer Night Shift, Land Surveyor, Senior Architect, Senior Architectural Engineer, Senior Civil Engineer, Senior Civil Engineer Infrastructure, Senior Electrical or Telecom Engineer, Senior Electrical Engineer, Supervision, Mixed Use or Retail, Senior Electrical Engineer, Construction Supervision, Senior Engineer Civil, Senior Engineer MEP, Senior Infrastructure Engineer, PMC Experience Infrastructure, Senior Mechanical Engineer, Construction Supervision Mixed Use or Theme Park, Senior Mechanical Engineer, Supervision Mixed Use or Retail, Senior Mechanical Engineer, Construction Supervision, Senior Mechanical Engineer, PMC Experience, Senior Planner, Senior Quantity Surveyor, Senior Quantity Surveyor Civil, Senior Structural Engineer Civil, Senior Structural Engineer, PMC Experience Steel, Senior Structural Engineer, Supervision Mixed Use or Retail, Senior Traffic Engineer, Senior Mechanical Engineer, Construction Supervision Hotel 5 Stars, Site Engineer, 5-year experience in stadium or sports, Structural Engineer, Construction Supervision Experience, Structural Engineer, PMC Experience Steel, Structural Inspector, Structural Inspector, Stadium. All engineers and positions above are required to have previous experience working for an engineering consultant in order to be considered for this role. Also, please note that candidates with online or distance learning degree will not be considered for these positions. Do not worry about the salary part, because the company offers an attractive salary package which is negotiable based on experience and qualifications. Additionally, overtime benefits will be provided as per the KSA labor law. If you are interested, update your CV today and send it to the mail ID and contact number displayed on the screen. And for more information and assistance, visit the SMAX office in person. The shortlisting process is ongoing at SMAX Recruitment Agency in Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi offices, and final client interview will be held in different cities of India by March 2024. That's it for this video. Make sure to apply as soon as possible and don't miss out on this chance to join this reputed company in Saudi Arabia. Thank you for watching and best of luck.